Yo, what is up you guys? My name is Trick for You, and in today's video I'm going to play a horror game called Neatly's Storage World. And I'm super excited for this game. I do not know what it's about. I do know it's about like a puppet guy or something. I saw that on the front cover. But yeah, I don't know about it for the most part. And yeah, let's just dive in, boys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you do, hit that like button. I would absolutely appreciate that. Thank you for all the support, and let's dive in.
Welcome to Happy Storage.
I need to find my storage unit. Oh shit. Use the remote with left mouse button. Okay, why is it so dark? Oh my days. Missing donut. Description: sweet and tasty. Yeah, that shit low-key look bussin'. I want that. Give me that. What is this game about? We need to check storage rooms, I think. I don't know. Can I run? Why is it so quiet? And I see an eye here. What's this about? Ooh, I got oh, my flashlight has a battery. That's not good. Okay, next one. Is there something in this? No. I don't know what to do. This game is mad weird. Oh my god. I think that's the guy that's searching me. Don't worry, this is ketchup. Yeah, right, buddy. Yeah, right, buddy. Wrap it up, buddy. Happy storage. Look at the guy, bro. Look at him. Oh, hell no. Stay on my way, bro. We need to get my storage room. Oh, my flashlight is dying. Oh, that's not good, bro. What do I need to do? I am walking. Chill. If my flashlight's dead, what do I... if my flashlight's dead, I'm cooked. Because it's dark as shite, man. I got it. Looks like I need a code. Oh my days. My flashlight is dying. Oh crap. Stay looking at that ways. Keep your ass straight, buddy. Oh, I think he saw me. Nah, I didn't. Okay, 4. Number 4. Oh! Oh, my flashlight. 4. My flashlight's dead. Hello? Bro, I'm cooked. I don't see anything. Yeah, I'm dead, bro. Hello? Look at this, bro. I don't see anything. Oh my god. I'm dead. GG's. How do I fix my flashlight though? Wait. No, not quick. Give me batteries, bro. I need batteries. I don't see anything, bro. Bro, I don't see. I'm walking somewhere. I don't know. Oh my days.
Welcome to Happy Storage.
I think I need to save my battery more. Okay, that's good to know. So now I'm gonna save my battery more. Open a storage. Nothing. Close battery. I'm gonna speedrun this. Trust. Yes, I need the code. Okay, 4. 4 4 1 4 4 1. Oh, he's walking this way. What are these sounds, bro? I still haven't found the last. Oi! Oh my god. Oh, I just walked in front of him. He's blinder than me, bro. I need to be fast. 4 4 1. What's the last number? I'm gonna guess the last one. I'm gonna guess the last one. Trust. I saw him. I saw him. I saw him. Chill. Okay, he's there. He's there. He's there. He's there. Did I miss like a room or storage room? Oh, I need to write it. Oh my god, he's blind. Okay. Two numbers done. Oh oh my god. I'm not gonna make it, I think. 5. Hey! What happened? Oh! What was that, bro? No, I'm almost there, I'm almost there. No, please. Bro, I'm almost dying. He's there. Oh no. He's spawn camping the shit out of that number. Come on, go away, bro. You can just go away. I don't know. Yeah, I'm cooked. I'm just going blind. I don't see him. Oh my god.
Welcome to happy storage.
Alright, chat. Look in. I can do this. Look in. Speed run ultimate, bro. Come on. Open everything. I'm just gonna open everything. Okay, he's there. Okay, I need a code. Let's get that code. 4. Got the first one done now. 1. Look in. I don't know if it's random every time. Oh crap. Does he hear when I open like the locker room or what he's called? The little garages. Next, last one. One more. Oh shit. Yes. Hey! Chill. Okay, sorry. I need to be strategic. Look in. No, please. I have it. Now I can exit this place. Yes. Come on. Hey! Whoa! Bro, what's happening? Bro, no. Chill. Come on. You want a donut? No way, bro. This was made in less than a day as a joke. Are we serious right now? Okay, so you guys, this was a really short horror game. Like a really short one. Yeah, I thought it was a little longer than this. But yeah, it's really short. I don't know when part 2 is coming. I found a fun game. A fun short game. And like the recording is like 15 minutes. And I'm gonna edit it a little bit. But yeah. I'm gonna make more videos. I'm trying to post 3 times, maybe 2 times next week too. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button if you like this video. I would absolutely appreciate that. Thank you for all the support. But yeah, have a nice day, night. God bless you all. Amen. And I'll see you boys in the next video. Ciao.